So I have retrieved my downloaded files from my downloads folder and put them into my assets folder that we prepared earlier. I thought we'd just quickly take a look at them all, just to make sure we're all being consistent with each other. Sprite sheets, that's where my big PNG goes that has all of my frames in it. So that's in sprite sheets. PNG files is where the big zip file has gone. But as we're going to zip everything together later, I'm going to unzip that and put my zip file into the bin. Now if I click on that, I have got a PNG for every single one of those frames that I did. Okay, so that's what I want. So our users, the users of our assets, get to choose if they want to use the sprite sheet or if they want to use the individual PNG files. Physical files are for our use only, so that's if we want to do a bit more work on our project, and we don't share those with our users. We just keep them for ourselves. Okay, and that completes our drawing the character section. Good work.